Hello, I'm Shin, and this is another part of Datsun part removings for renovation. And today we'll start from taking off steering wheel column. Okay. Okay. Now we'll removing this. Okay. Here I need also removing this for easier access. Okay, now we are able to go to inside of car. The visibility today is very bad because it's hard raining. I hope flashlights will work well. Yeah, but I think I am already know what I need to unscrew, but for sure I have photos. So one is here, but I think this is this one that we already unscrew last time. What size they were? 12? They are 10 millimeters. Okay, one is here. Oh, I broke this shit. And also I think that, or maybe it was? Yeah, that was correct one, okay. And four of them are here. I know you nearly see nothing, sorry for that. Okay, and also we need to remove now this column, but for this I see I need, it's 12 probably, yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, now we will unscrew a column. It's probably 10 millimeter also. Yeah, it's 10 millimeters, so I will take you. So shitty. Wait. Yeah, first one. Second one. Oh, here we heavy access. Okay, third one. Okay, fourth one. Okay, you didn't saw that, but from inside, outside, I removed something. Ah, wait, cables. I forgot about them. Okay. Well, so many of them. Okay, wait, because I want to remember. I know it's so visible, but still, it will be easier for me later. The last one is this red cable. I have no clue how to remove him. I think this one I need to cut. Oh, okay. Somehow I just put it out right. Alright. I'm not sure, but probably we can actually taking off a dashboard. Not yet? Oh, this one's okay. Okay, I see some cables also. Still cables, now holding this, but I have no clue how to get an access to some of them. There are a lot of them. Oh shit. I need to unscrew this or what? Sorry that you don't see what I'm doing, but it's really shitty action. Everything holds on one cable. I have no clue how to remove it. Of course, both of cameras have to die, but I had to unscrew this sheet from speedometer. And now the last thing, our cables there. Okay, I will go from other side. These cables are going here. Okay, I will just remove them from this box. Okay. Alright, let me make sure that everything is disconnected. Yeah, it looks like. Okay, let's take this off. Oh, no, not everything. Now everything. Alright, I want to unscrew brake servo, but there is a heavy access, but okay, I will try. Oh, the 12mm. Sorry, but I'm already wet. Oh shit. This one will be really heavy access. Okay, let's go outside. Wait, something else holding it? From inside I had to remove this from braking pedal. But still, it won't move. Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah, and that was here. I will put it there. Also now we are able to remove this sheet. Similar situation like with brake servo. you have to remove this. Okay, and for today it will be all. You must admire that today we did a lot. Okay, now I see that I hadn't to remove this one bolt from the here. Okay. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment like below. If you want more, just subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.